You have been making chicken the wrong way your whole life, guys. So let's learn it. In a pan with boiled water, we are going to add all the chicken thighs you are going to prepare. Here I am cooking 1 kilogram of chicken thighs. We are going to let it cook for 15 minutes with no salt, no seasons, just the water. And just then, after the 15 minutes, we're going to start seasoning it with salt, lemon pepper, and paprika. Remember, guys, that the seasons are to taste, so you can use your favorite ones. Mix it very well until all of these seasons are with the chicken. Enjoy this moment and tell us what city you're watching this recipe from, so I can send you that special hug on the next video. Let's cover the chicken and wait for the water to be dry. The process looks weird, guys, but you have to trust it, alright? It will work in the end. Let's fry it a little bit now that the water was all dried, and then cooking it in the water, guys, it means that the chicken will still be juicy, alright? Let's put some garlic in here and 50 milliliters of soy sauce. And now let's let it cook a little bit, okay? Then let's add 1 teaspoon of mustard and 1 teaspoon of ketchup and mix it all. Continue mixing it until it's very fried, guys. The soy sauce will give an acid to the taste of the chicken, but also the ketchup will caramelize it a little bit. So go mixing it, and then our chicken thighs are already done. This recipe is amazing, guys, and like I said, as it was cooked in the water, the chicken doesn't lose its juiciness. So seriously, it's the best thing ever. My mom didn't use to cook the chicken first, and now she just make it like this. So it will be super crunchy on the outside, but very, very juicy on the inside. Just take a look at it, guys, seriously. This sauce, you can also make it for the chicken wings, for example, alright? So if you don't like the chicken thighs, you can use chicken wings. Make it at your house, then come and tell me what you thought about it. And this was today's dish. I hope you liked this recipe, and if you did, don't forget to rate us down here from 0 to 10. Your opinion is super relevant for us, and it helps us to bring more recipes like this one.